Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this portable travel garment steamer. It has 1200 watts of power and 25-second fast heat up. Alright, so right here we have our garment steamer. It is portable. It is offered in two different colors. You've got black and you also have white. So let's go ahead and jump into the box and show what you get into this box. So first off, this is a 1200 watt garment steamer that has a powerful moist output, and it only needs just to wait about 25 to 30 seconds to complete the preheating. After pressing the power button, it's completed, and then you can steam easily. So first off, right here you get the instructions manual. The instructions manual tells you about important information, getting to know your steamer, and then all the sections of the steamer, how to use the steamer. So these are all the little sections and the attachments that you do get. The two attachments that you do get is a mesh brush and a fabric brush. The also great thing about this that it can be used both horizontally and vertically with two stream settings. It is portable for travel and easy to carry. It does come equipped with a 1200 watt power, lightweight, and it's got a compact design. So you also get the attachments. So right here, like I said, there's a mesh brush and there's also the fabric brush. This is the fabric brush and the other one is the mesh brush. So those are great things to have. So here's the other brush. So the lightweight and compact design of the handheld garment steamer allows you to carry it easily with you on the go. It is super easy. All you have to do is put some water in and start using it right off the bat. So let's go ahead and go more into the box. So this is the steamer itself. You can see that it's super lightweight. So inside here you do get a little bottle. So this does have a measuring cup. So there's 50 milliliters and then there is 100 milliliters. So you can use that to add the water to the tank that is below. So now let's get into the steamer itself. So we have the power cord, which is a 110. It's a really nice length cord. Alright, so now let's unpack the steamer itself. So first off, there's no attachments on it. Right here it says push, so at the bottom you'll push that one. That is where the water tank is at. And then you have the trigger button. And then this is where the steam comes out. You see this thing here at the top that has where you can click on the attachment. So there's a power button. Once it's finished, those two will light up green. So we're just going to go ahead and put this one on. You can see this little part at the top just clicks right up in there. You might have to lift it up a little bit just so it can click in. So once it clicks in, it'll attach. So now you're ready to start using this. So what we're going to do is pull out the tank from the bottom. You just push it out just like that. You got to remove this little rubber stopper at the top that expresses the water tank. Go ahead and fill it up with your little included little bottle, or you can fill it up with your sink. It doesn't matter how you do it. So once you fill that up, you'll put it in the bottom of that. So you just use this little thing, just fill it up, put it in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this up with some water and I'll come back and I'll put it back in there and we can start using it. Alright, so now we got it completely filled up with water. So all we need to do is line up. There's a little arrow at the bottom. You want to line it up to where it says push. So put that one arrow and just push it in. It just snap in place. Just turn the power button on, which is right here in the back. So it'll start flashing. It's preheating. Once it's finished, it will automatically turn green. Okay, now we're going to push the little trigger button. This trigger button, you can see that it's putting out some steam. So now that we know that it's already ready, I'm going to take one of my son's t-shirts, his cotton t-shirts, and I'm just going to go ahead and press it lightly. You don't have to keep pressing the trigger button, just push once and it will continue to steam You can see that it's getting out all the wrinkles. The great thing about this that I like that it does have a leak-proof design and it's safe. The steam iron that can be used at various angles without worrying about the water leakage. The steam button for the portable steamer can control the steam output as well as stop during the ironing process. The steamer also has an auto shut-off function which automatically turns off the power after 8 minutes of inactivity to ensure that safety for you and your family. So we're just going to continue just to steam all this wrinkles out. So you can see most of the shirt has got a lot of the wrinkles out. I'm just going to get to the very bottom of it. It's doing a really good job. It's not leaking at all. So you can use it vertically, horizontally, and it'll work just as the same. So we're just going to go ahead and steam on this side. You can see that most of the wrinkles are out. So now I have to get to the other side and start getting the wrinkles here on the bottom part. And just rub it against there. It's super easy, lightweight. It's so much better than actually having to use an iron and grabbing an ironing board. You can actually do this with it sitting down on a table, a bed. You can have it actually hanging up on a hanger and then just go right up to it and then just start steaming them. So right now I'm going to make my way to the shoulder part. So right here I'm just making it flat. Just going to push the button and let it start steaming. You can see that it's gotten all the wrinkles out. Like I said, it is super easy to use. You just push the button. You don't have to keep pushing it and it'll automatically steam. You can see that it's got a lot of the wrinkles out right here. So now I got to make my way to the inside and grab all the wrinkles out on the inside. So again, I'm just going to grab the steamer and just kind of get in this area. And it got all the wrinkles out of there. So I'm just going to go back into the front and just add some more in here to make sure that all the wrinkles are out. So now this is done on a table, but like I said before, you can actually steam this while it is hanging up, so you don't have to worry about these other little wrinkles that are coming from it because it is sitting on the table. You can see that the steam is still coming out even though I'm not pushing the trigger. I would definitely say this is a great steamer. It is so much better than actually having to use an iron. I would definitely recommend checking this out, especially if you're looking for a great garment steamer to get out all the wrinkles of your clothes. I would definitely say check this one out. It's totally worth it.